For a few years we've been restoring the coppice in this woodland, which is predominantly hazel. One of the things that prevents that hazel thriving is the closeness of the canopy of the oaks. So each year we look at one or two to take out to get more light in for the hazel, and this is the one that's coming out this year. It also needs to go because it's quite likely to come down of its own accord, so it presents a hazard to the public. So
this one has a sort of partial root failure at the back, so basically it's stabilised itself, but there's nothing to say that it won't come down very soon of its own accord. There's a mixture of dead and undead wood at the base there.
I mean, that split as soon as it hit the ground, doesn't it? It doesn't seem like the timber's very stable inside. You see all the sap coming out.
This tree seems to have broken in 3 or 4 places, yeah. Almost on impact. So
I think we'll get a lot of character out of that for woodworking. The hole in the canopy now allows a lot more light coming in, and that's really, first it's good for all these new trees. There's a mixture of hazel, sweet chestnut and some rowan, but you also get lots of different insect life coming in and using that, like you've just seen the bumblebee and butterflies coming in, and hopefully more wildflowers, bluebells. There's an area just up here, was the only area on the hill that has wood anemone, which is an indicator of ancient woodland, and pretty rare in Ealing. I think there's only two places in Ealing with it.
Really?
With wood anemone. Wow. We're waiting for Luna, the horse, come and pull this out. We've got to work out whether how we're going to get it onto the trailer.
Cut through where them birds are, it should be really attractive.
All this light is regenerating new growth. So the majority of the woods here is what's known as an even age stand, so all the trees are of a similar age. And that's problematic because you've got no new growth coming through. So by doing this you can see the difference, that all this new growth is now coming through to replace ones that have died or that will die in the future. So you've got a healthy population. Here comes Luna.
Go. Come on, mate. Oh.
What do you think, Dan? Do you think we can pull it down?
So
then this end that way?
Yeah.
What do we have a man
Out there. I'm going to get someone to fabricate. Right, it's not.
John's come all the way around without coming on the road.
Yeah, it's the